Hello everyone. We are group number 3 with team members Dattaman, Krishna, Najam, Harsh, Ishita and Chirag. We have done our enterprise lab project on Abdul Rab Ansari and Ashar Mahmood Ansari. They are entrepreneurs and their business is in the textile and furniture sector. They have two ventures in total. Maria Rugs International Private Limited, which is their primary business and which deals with the carpet industry, and Decobody, which is a newer venture which is focused on furniture and home decor. We have spoken to Abdul Rab on the phone and chat, but we were unable to get him on the video call due to prior engagements on his part. So we had interviewed Asher, who is his younger brother. From the interviews and conversations which we had with both of them, we got many insights into the entrepreneurial world and the challenges they face, the mindset they have. So without further ado, let's get into the presentation. Firstly, I'll give a brief about the two companies. Private, Private Limited is into designing and manufacturing carpets and rugs for both domestic and international markets. They had started with domestic markets, especially in northern India, but then expanded first throughout India and then into international markets also. They are committed to preserving and upholding the age-old tradition and heritage of handcrafted carpet manufacturing that showcases the intricate skills of the local craftsmen. They work both on residential as well as commercial projects with leading interior designers and architects. Asher, Asher and Abdul Rab have also diversified and started a new venture called Decobody. This is a startup which is mainly focused on furniture and home decor. One of their USP is that they provide free shipping on all their products and have an easy return policy for their customers. Done.
Abdul Rab Ansari is the founder and CEO of the Decobody, and is the partnership with Ashish Nehras and Jaya Bachchan. And Sadiq Ansari is the CEO of Maria Rux, and Abdul Ilahi and Yusuf Ansari are also the team member of the Maria Rux Private Limited. Uday Ayaz Siddiqui, Ashok Yadav, Tawfiq Ansari, Ahmad Hussain, Akib Ansari, also the member and employee of the Maria Rux Private Limited. Change करो फट से चेंज करो slide. The product are the made by the Maria Rux Private Limited, and the Decobody are the hand tufted carpet, jute rugs, and pillow and puff. The type of machinery equipment used in the hand tufted carpet is while making production of the carpet is handloom machines and broadloom dyeing machines, fishing machine, washing equipment, and the like strapping machines. And the raw material used for the carpet making is the yarn, which is the made of the wool, and the other material used for the nylons and the polyester. And the jute rugs are the made by essentially for the plant material. Cellulose and lignin is the main material. It's a time process uh, uh, product. It take a 4 to 5 day to make a 5 to 8 size of the product. Uh, and the hand tufted carpet are also came in different sizes like 5 by 8, 8 by 12, and 15 by 18. It also take a 5 to 10 day to make a one product in a loom. And the pillows are also made for the jutes. Actually, by the cultivated plant material of the cottons, which Decobody various products include like bags and clothes, which also made by the woolen fabric using nylons and jute and your polyester is done.
So, talking about the target customers, Maria Rug's customer base is mainly the upper middle class Indians and international customers of Indian origin. They are trying to expand it to the middle class and lower class by providing the products in a competitive pricing. And They are also partnered with various hotels and offices for the custom orders. They are now focusing more on online marketing and sales of the product so that they can reach the larger audience. Nowadays, everything is going online. So our company, Mariarex, has also done their online landscape and they are rigorously improving their online marketing. And as of now, the sales in online market is also going well. They are also trying to diverse and enter to the another venture known as DecoBuddy. So it's mainly the main business of DecoBuddy is the home decor. So that by that they are giving furnitures and custom made home decors. And when we talk about the traits and characteristics of an entrepreneur, we have get the insight from him that there are many traits and characteristics, but he has mainly focused on these five characteristics that we have mentioned. So that's it. First one is passion. He radiates an unwavering passion that fuels their tireless pursuit of vision, providing the emotional energy needed to weather challenges and setbacks with tenacity. So he says that the passion has made their venture to this great success. Then he talks about creativity. At the heart of his lies creativity, the catalyst for innovative thinking that allows individuals to devise novel solutions, adapt to market dynamics, and maintain a competitive edge in ever-evolving industry. So he says that only with this trait we can stay in any industry and survive the competition in the sector. Next, he talks about risk taking. He embraces calculated risk, demonstrating the courage to step into uncertain territories where potential rewards outweigh the uncertainties. This bold approach propels them forward, driving growth and success. He says that only when we take risks we can make success in any venture. He also says that don't stay at our comfort zone. Please come out of from it and do what we love. Then he talks about resilience. He says that in the face of inevitable setbacks, resilience is an entrepreneur's armor. They bounce back from failures, displaying adaptability, a capacity to learn, and an unwavering determination to overcome obstacles, ensuring continued progress on their entrepreneurial journey. Then he last talks about the patience that every entrepreneur needs, and he recognized patience as the enduring nature of success. Patience is their virtue, guiding them through the gradual process of business development with strategic planning and persistent effort. They navigate through complexities of entrepreneurship, understanding that lasting success requires time, dedication, and a steadfast commitment to the goals. That's all from my side.
So, hello everyone. Basically, in our conversation with Ashraf and Abdul, we discussed about the challenges they faced during the initial stage of their business, and some of which I like to discuss today, which I learned. First of all, they found it very difficult in securing a skilled and efficient workforce. For that, they invested in training and development programs to enhance employee skills and address skill gaps. This resulted in a more qualified and productive workforce. Second of all, they found difficulty in sourcing consistent and high quality raw materials. For that, they cultivated long-term relationships with reliable suppliers who prioritize quality control and consistency. This guaranteed access to dependable sources of high quality materials. And last of all, they found it navigating disruptions and challenges within the international supply chain network. For that, they collaborated with industry partners to share information, identify solutions, and collectively address supply chain challenges. This fostered greatly transparency, collaboration, and resilience within the supply chain. Overall, the implemented solutions demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement and proactive problem solving. By investing in workforce development, fostering strong supplier relationships, and collaborating with industry partners, The organization has significantly improved its ability to overcome challenges and navigate the complexities of the global marketplace. It was a great exposure talking to them and learning about their challenges and how they face them. And the next part will be covered with my by my friend Chirag.
So our guests also talked about their revenue model, which helped us to know how the companies and the startups work. First, he talked about that their initial investment came from their saving and family support, which tells us that the founders were resourceful and likely had a strong belief in their business idea, which led them to invest their own money before seeking out the external funding. The second thing which our guest told us was that they got angel investors to invest their company at a later stage of their business, which tells that the business was able to demonstrate its potential and attract interest from investors who saw value in the company's vision and growth prospects. Thirdly, he told us that the 80% of the revenue which the company generates is reinvested into the business, which is used to expand the business. This strategy is common among startups and growing businesses where profits are plowed back into the company. This revenue model explained by our guest was very enlightening and taught us that how startups should be uh, run and money should come into the business. Now, next slide will be continued by Ishita.
So now talking about the social impact that Maria Rux products have been able to make on the society would be the products of the Maria Rux come with the Good Weave certification, which is in conformity to the compliance with fair labor practices that strictly oppose the use of child labor. There, this commitment towards the society is a very good example, which also focuses on a large section of women, providing them employment. There is a large section of women working under them, providing them fair wages as compared to the men, which contributes to the local economy and setting an example for the society as well. So, as a SA 8000 certified company, they are fully compliant with all the requirements that is necessary for manufacturing and exporting carpets across the world that bear the indigenous traits of the Indian craftsmen, promoting the tradition of India, the talent of Indian and local craftsmen, and putting it out in the global world, showcasing that there's a lot of talent within the local market and local tradesmen in India itself. Not talking about the success according to Usher. Can you please change the slide? Yeah. So whatever the conversation we had with Usher, what success was him was actually not the numbers of or the turnover. For him, success is actually the journey that you have throughout your entrepreneurship from the beginning to the end. What you learn from that. According to him, true success lies not in the accolades, but how you connect with the people, how you are making a positive impact in the society, doing something for the people, and coming up with new ideas which could really help to solve some problem in the world or in the market that you see. He considered success to be able to continuously expand the business, cater to a large number of people, understanding them, understanding the customer's needs, satisfying them in the best possible way, and developing a good relationship with the customers, not only from the business perspective, but actually maintaining a bond with them. So that was quite a learning, uh, and we had a very experiential talk with him. So that's from our side. Thank you.
Thank you.